Let's learn how to fix the Facebook profile lock option not showing. I'll show you how to do this in a few steps. If you want to follow everything, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your phone. When Facebook opens, you need to click on the option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the menu option with horizontal lines. When you click on that option, a page with more options will open. Among all these options, you need the Help and Support option. You will find this option by scrolling down a bit. Click on that option, and a menu with 5 options will open. From those 5 options, you need to click on the Report a Problem option. When you click on that option, a page with some options will open. Click on the option at the bottom of that page, which is Continue to Report. When you click that, you will have 2 options offered, and you need to click on the blue button Include. There will be a list of all reports, but you need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom there will be the other option. Click on that option, and when you click, there will be a field for typing. There type, Help I Need Profile Lock option. After typing that, you need to click on the button in the upper right corner, which is Send. This needs to be done this way because this option is only available in some countries, which are listed. Therefore, you need to request from Facebook to provide you with this option. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.